Today we're going to talk about upgrading memory. In today's world, we're always looking for things to be faster. This same concept is true when it comes to computer technology. It is evident in the computers and devices we choose, and as you can see, there are several different computers that you can choose from nowadays. There are different forms of memory. You have your processor, which is super fast, super expensive, and has a tiny capacity. You have your RAM, which is your physical memory. It's fast, priced reasonably, and has average capacity. You have flash drives, or SSD, which is solid state memory. It has an average speed, priced reasonably, and has average capacity. Then you have your mechanical hard drive, your virtual memory, which is slow, cheap, and has large capacity, which gives us a reason to upgrade that memory to make it faster and our computers more efficient. To upgrade memory means to add more RAM to a computer. Adding more memory may solve problems such as slow performance, applications not loading properly, or an unstable system. If a system doesn't have adequate memory to perform an operation, you may get error messages or the computer slows down to a crawl. We're going to talk about RAM, which is what we're talking about upgrading. RAM is random access memory, and it's used to hold the information that the computer is working on. It is hundreds of times faster than the hard drive. RAM allows the computer to perform faster. More memory equals more files that can be opened at once. There are different RAM choices. You have two types of RAM that are used in computers today. You have the older ones, which have been found in computers within the last 4 years, and they're called DDR RAMs. And you have the newer RAM, which is DDR2, which has only been around for the last 2 years and is just now becoming mainstream. RAM speed is very important, and there are questions that you should ask yourself when you go to upgrade your memory. And that is, how much RAM do you need, and how much is currently installed on your motherboard, and how many memory modules are currently available on the motherboard. How many and what kind of modules can I fit on the motherboard? How do I select and purchase the right modules for my upgrade? And how do I physically install the new modules? Here we have a diagram of the motherboard, and right here shows our DIMM slots, which is where we put the RAM sticks. And on this one we have 2, and sometimes you can have 4, which is why you would ask yourself, what kind of modules you have on your motherboard. You would install the RAM by pressing down on these white clips on each end of the module, sliding your RAM down into the grooves, and then making sure that the clips are secure around the sticks.